Well, Adam, here we are. Look at the contrast of the studio spaces. That's mouthfull. All sorts going on, and here is the new tenants moving in. So we're moving out. They're going to bust down that wall. And so we're sorting out what to take to our new studio, which is on Foresters Lane by the Sustainability Trust. Exciting. Moving away from Newtown. And what we're going to take to Jack's house in Vogeltown, or what we're going to take to the dump. So we're putting things in piles, and I'm afraid to say that one of the first things that's going in the dump pile is
Time machine.
the time machine. It has to go. We've had our fair use of it.
It was big in the 80s.
Yeah, it's New
It had
Zealand
its
made.
time.
New Zealand made 80s time machine.
We're going to send Paul Eagle MP, including Chatham Islands and Rongotai, in the time machine and see where he comes out.
Good luck, Paul. Hope you make it to the other side. Back to the 80s, Paul. Back to the 80s. Oh my god! Whoa, that busted some wires. Paul Eagle went crazy. Did that thing have coffee in it? Holy moly.
There he is.
How did you do that, Jackson? Jack, how on earth did you do that? And it's been drunk, the coffee. What? That's amazing.
Had the timer wrong. Had it for 8 minutes. So
You had it for 8 minutes.
30 years.
Oh no.
Let's put him back in the time machine.
Let's put him back in the time machine. We're having a fair use of this thing before so we're going to document it, as we do with all these things.
Get the settings right.
Get the settings right.
Crank it right up.
We're documenting all this too, leaving that, getting rid of that. Crank it right up. Fill that baby up. Go on, Paul. You come back to the present moment, baby. You're... What's happened now?
He's gone again.
He's gone again. Oh, jeez, man.
He's gone to the 80s this time.
Oh, no.
Oh, hang on.
Jackson, what are you? Oh, he's back. You're a magician.
He's going forward in
He's
time.
fine. He's full to the brim almost. Half full. Paul Eagle. He's over. Gone from. Okay. Wow, and fully disappeared. Should we taste it? Yeah, taste Paul Eagle. Thanks, Paul, for retrieving that coffee from the future. Bad coffee from the future.
Future coffees.
Sucks. Oh, and those things we can't forget about. Maybe that's the missing component.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe that's why it's bad coffee. Yeah, it'll be good coffee. What else are we taking to the dump? The airs. Adam, do you want an air or a telephone? Or those? Do you want those? Do you want this? Do you want this? Yeah, pieces of ply. Cement. Do you want cement? That one's serious. Cement serious and plywood serious. We might keep the plant. Do you want them? Don't know how they got intertwined in our junk.
This glass.
Do you want the glass? Yeah. Frosted glass. Big pieces of glass. Big hunks. Big chunks. This too. You can store all your things on that. And you can have the elephant. We'll put the bargain combo deal. Elephants in the mix. Where are we going to send the elephant?
Yes, we send the elephant
into the ether. We'll send it over to you, Adam. we'll chuck it over. Sea elephant. Wire it up. Yeah. Let's look at this back circuitry. Okay, we're nearing on 5 minutes now.
Yeah.
Let's conclude this. Good Lord.
On.
Oh, and it's been transformed into, what's it been transformed? It's been transformed into 2 bull eagle mites. What? Elephant. No. Elephant. Hang on. Oh, and a zebra. Okay. Thanks for having us. We're sending you into the rubbish now. Where's that? See you later.